Good evening viewers, welcome to Power Sector News. Today's headlines: Himachal Pradesh to roll out Energy Policy 2021 soon. Update on solar projects and tenders. Updates on electric vehicles. Coming to the details. After 15 years, Himachal Pradesh is going to change its hydropower policy to address fresh challenges in hydro, biomass and solar power development. The state has prepared a draft energy policy 2021 that aims to promote green, clean and sustainable generation of energy to enable quick harnessing of full potential of Himachal Pradesh. The hydropower policy 2006 of the state has served its objectives well, and over the last 15 years there has been a paradigm shift in energy scenario of the country. The solar and wind power share is increasing at a faster rate than hydro. Hydropower along with hybrid battery and pumped storages and hydrogen energy is going to be focus areas in coming years. Himachal Pradesh is blessed with hydro potential of 24,587 megawatt distributed over 5 river basins, out of which 10,948 megawatt has been harnessed, and government sets a target of 10,000 megawatt more to be harnessed by 2030. Under new policy, it has been proposed to promote storage or pondage, including pumped storage power plants, combined cycle power plants, battery storage, and other emerging technologies such as hydrogen storage capable of quick ramp up and ramp down and store energy with higher energy efficiency for longer duration. Policy aims to develop adequate and efficient transmission network in the state and to evolve a dynamic and robust electricity infrastructure for better consumer services. It also proposes to revitalize state utility for distribution of power and to establish and promote a power trading entity in the state. Servotech Power Systems has backed off-grid solar PV plant order from Uttar Pradesh New and Renewable Energy Development Agency. Servotech will supply erection, testing and commissioning the off-grid solar PV power plant in different government offices buildings in Uttar Pradesh. The total value of the project is 37.20 crore rupees and it is valid for a year span. The project's execution is scheduled to be begin in the first week of December 2021 and the project's completion is anticipated by March 2022. Adani Solar has partnered with Kolkata-based solar PV firm KSL Cleantech to expand its retail distribution business in the east and northeastern regions of India. Adani Solar has estimated 130 megawatt opportunity within the rooftop segment in these two regions. The target customers include the rooftop, utility scale, residential, commercial and industrial and solar pump segments. Tata Power's solar power arm is in final stages of negotiations with the Tamil Nadu government as it plans to set up 4 gigawatt integrated solar photovoltaic cell manufacturing unit in Gangaikondan near Tirunelveli, Tamil Nadu. The investment by Tata would be around 3,000 crore rupees with an employment potential of 2,000 locals, predominantly women. Piaggio Vehicles Private Limited and Bengaluru-based city logistics startup CityLink Portal have joined hands for automakers' electric vehicle business. Greaves Cotton E-Mobility arm Greaves Electric Mobility announced the opening of its largest EV production facility at Ranipet in Tamil Nadu. Spread in 35 acres, the facility is a part of 700 crore rupees investment plan announced by the company earlier this year to enhance its market share further in the rapidly expanding domestic electric vehicle space. Darwin Platform Group of companies announced its foray into electric mobility space with plans to invest nearly 450 crore rupees on product development. As a part of initiative, the group's electric vehicle venture Darwin EV80 launched three electric scooters D5, D7 and D14 priced at 68,000, 73,000 and 77,000 rupees respectively. Three electric scooters have features such as regenerative braking, speed control gear, battery swapping and USB mobile charger port among others have a range of 70 to 120 kilometers on a single charge. Chartered Bike, a subsidiary of surface mobility firm Chartered Speed, will deploy over 2000 electric bikes and 200 charging stations in the city over the next 3 to 6 months for various purposes. Adani Electricity is supporting the company in providing space in Mumbai, and Power Supply and Speedbike is capitalizing on using that to help delivery partners save 150 to 200 rupees per day with an all electric fleet. iPower Batteries has been awarded the best battery manufacturer for electric vehicles by Electric Vehicle Battery Tech 2021, organized by eMobility Plus. They have designed innovative lithium-ion battery solutions for electric and smart mobility vehicles with smart features like advanced tracking, geofencing, and battery immobilization, remote monitoring, and control features, which is one of their sought-after products highly in demand. Additional news today. 61 thermal power plants with cumulative capacity of 73 gigawatt are running with coal stock of less than 8 days. Ministry of Coal is planning to organize roadshows in Ranchi, Hyderabad and Ahmedabad to attract private investors into coal mining. Indian Energy Exchange and Power Exchange India Limited are set to resume trading of renewable energy certificates from Wednesday after a gap of 16 months. Adani Transmission has won 3 awards at CII first ever operational sustainability conference and competition. Price discovery at Power Exchange. National Load Dispatch Center has scheduled 166.25 million units of power for tomorrow cleared through Indian Energy Exchange. Coming to the price discovery details. Price discovered during night 2 rupees 9 paisa per unit. Price discovered during day 2 rupees 47 paisa per unit. Price discovered during evening 4 rupees 33 paisa per unit. Price discovered round the clock 3 rupees 5 paisa per unit. Weighted average price is 3 rupees 19 paisa per unit. There is no congestion for power transfer in the network and the prices are uniform in all the regions. In green day-ahead market, 6.25 million units of volume cleared with a weighted average price of 2 rupees 54 paisa per unit. Thank you and good day.